What's up guys, Jeremy Mateo here. We are back with another home tour video. This home tour is gonna be unlike anything you've ever seen. This is a listing actually that me and Wendell have. We just listed it 3 days ago. And guys, here in Kaimuki, you don't see many homes like this. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. The home is 6,000 square feet. Part of that 6,000 square feet, there's a 1,400 square foot storage that I'm gonna show you guys. That storage is 20 feet high, and this is listed for $2.7 million. And guess what? Everything is permitted, so you don't even have to worry about that. On this lot, you could also fit like 20 cars parked here. It's insane. And to top it off, you have a studio and a 1-bedroom, so you can rent it out for possible rental income opportunities. Let's check it out. So starting off in the driveway, guys, this is pretty nuts. So from the street all the way over there to back here and those fences, there's a lot of space. Behind me, there is a 40-feet container, the biggest container that you can ever get to ship things abroad. There's one right there, and as you can see, there's space for another one. So I don't know the exact square footage of this, but you could definitely fit 20 cars on this lot. If I didn't mention it already, the lot is 9,000 square feet. And if you're really concerned about security, the owner installed these 2 metal poles. You can put something here and here. So if you ever travel and you don't want people to park on your big lot, you can have security with these 2 poles to guard from anyone coming in. So we're here in the back, as you can see, a 9-foot high container, 40 feet wide. There's a lot of room going on here. And then of course, where I'm standing, you could put another one. So at least what, like 2 cars here, 3 cars maybe? And as an added bonus, you have a big avocado tree here. I think the owner showed me how big the avocados were. Oh, he took it, it's gone. But these avocados were like this big. Let me see if I can find one. Ew, that's not, ooh. And then right here, we've got a little lime tree. I think this is lime. Yeah, these are really nice limes. So pretty good if you know, wanna have some Taco Tuesday, make some margaritas, pretty sick. Cool if I wear this. All right guys, welcome to the part of the home that really just makes this so spectacular. We are inside the oversized storage that is about 1,400 square feet. I think the dimensions are like 35 by 40. And the best part is there's 20 feet high ceilings. Let's check it out. So as you can see, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot of space. You could use this as like a warehouse, a big storage. You could park a bunch of cars here. You could have a lot of parties here with as much drinks as you want. The owner of this home loves to entertain, has a lot of people coming over. But as you can see, this entire space is being used as like a storage for all of his like industrial equipment. You got this cool forklift, yes. Pretty cool forklift, which by the way, if you're interested in this forklift, it may or may not come with the home. It just depends if you send in a really good offer. And again, we're listing this for $2.7 million. So if you give us that, or maybe more, maybe this forklift will come with the home. Let me know. All right, so before I show you guys the rest of the home, let me show you this cool hidden feature. So let's say you're hanging out, you're drinking over here with your friends or having a party and you wanna use the bathroom. Why go inside the house when you can go in here? Dude, pretty sick, huh? Oh snap, hold on. Oh, there's a mirror looking at me right here. Super cool feature, very convenient, easy access. So I've shown you the outside front, I've showed you the back where the storage is. We're gonna start in the middle. This room is pretty cool. So the owner of this home is a business owner, and he originally was gonna have this area as like a little office, but it's just all carpeted, which leads into one of my other favorite places, the game room. Sick, okay. All right, so we are in what he calls the game room. You have like pool table here, you have foosball, yeah, foosball table here. Everything's carpeted. You have a nice flat screen TV here. And look at this. You've got freaking arcade games. Like, this is so cool. You could do so much in this room. I don't know if these come with the home though. Who knows? But again, you gotta submit a good offer. There's all kinds of cool stuff here. Like this guy, Mr. Johnny Walker, pretty cool. And then my favorite, and I hope I can grab this from the homeowner. Maybe he'll let me have it. Maybe I'll buy it. I don't know. But check this out. This Crown Royal Throne. Where my Filipinos at, huh? I bet I could buy this and then put it on like Waipahu Craigslist, and then I'd probably get like $5,000 for it. Sick. So just imagine what you could do in this room. This is like a lot of square footage here. This could be like a game room, man cave, maybe a gym. You could do a gym here. So much opportunity. And sorry, you've got disco balls here too. This caught my attention. Yep, ADHD acting up. Hey guys, really quick, if you're getting some value out of this video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and if you like and subscribe, or even better yet, share this video with someone else or a friend, it really helps my channel grow, and I'm really trying to grow this channel. So thank you guys. All right, back to the video. All right, so now that I've shown you the storage and the game room, let me show you some like actual functional features of a real home. Let's go upstairs. This door leads back to the oversized storage. It's a pretty cool door. It's like you're walking into like Narnia or something, but super nice feature. Then you go up here. Right here is basically where all the bedrooms are. So first immediate left, you have a full bathroom here. All of these finishes you see were done in the last month. So everything is pretty fresh and new. I think this was original though, I think. I'm not sure, but it's really been kept in nice and really good condition. Go over here to the right or the left. You have one bedroom here, normal sized bedroom, and your view is of, what is that hill? St. Louis, no, that's not St. Louis Heights, bro. Waikiki? I think it's Waikiki. Let's check. Oh, it's the other it's Wilhelmina Rise. You can't see that. All right, so that's one bedroom. Now let me show you the other two bedrooms. We have one bedroom here, same exact concept and size. Closet, bedroom. Go over here. And then you have the primary bedroom, very spacious, walk-in closet, and of course your own bathroom. So stand-up shower. You got some nice stool action right here in case you're lazy and tired and you just have to take a shower. And that's the 3 bedrooms for this side of the home on this level. We're going on the same level, but on the other side of the home. Right here you have your washer and dryer and your water heater. Pretty cool. And then, of course, you have the kitchen, dining area. This is a really, really nice kitchen. All appliances, I don't think they're brand new, but they look like they've been really, really taken care of. Like you open the oven, there's no stains. Really nice. And this is all Kenmore appliances. Kenmore, KitchenAid, Blackstone, KitchenAid. You can make like tacos here, bacon. I really like this feature. And of course you got your dishwasher. I forgot its name because I don't even use a dishwasher. And then of course a nice sink. And then countertops, really nice cabinets that all match. And then of course you have your KitchenAid fridge. Here's more like a dining area that leads to, I mean, this is, I would consider a living room, but then also you have this living room. So I don't know what to call this space. The pre-living room, the living room before the living room, the lobby to the living, I don't know. But lots of space to just hang out and cruise and chill. But what's cool about this home is like there's a lot of areas like this where you can just hang out. Speaking of which, I'm gonna show you that right now. We're gonna go up to the deck. All right, so we're now on the rooftop deck. This is probably my second favorite part of the home next to the game room. But I think this is the homeowner's favorite part of the home because you have such nice views of Honolulu and you have nice views of Waikiki and Coco Head that I'll show you in a second. And even though it's kind of loud right now from the freeway, usually at nighttime, it's very quiet. But I've been here at sunset and the views are extremely nice. The skies, the sunset, really nice place to hang out, have some beers, eat some food, entertain. I know me and Wendell, we actually had a couple beers with the homeowner when we were doing this listing appointment. Super fun time. And of course, the homeowner always mows the lawn, keeps the grass well maintained. All right, so that is pretty much the back side of the home and the middle of the home, which is kind of like the main part of the home. Now I'm gonna show you the front, and we'll start with here first. This is the studio that you could rent out. And then also this area, you could use a storage or another parking stall for a smaller car. But in here, there's a studio that also features a full bathroom over here. And then of course you have your own refrigerator here, wet bar, sink. So pretty good opportunity to rent this out. Here's like a little patio area. You can do a lot of entertaining here as well. You have a barbecue grill. You have this nice shade on top to keep you cool. And of course this dining table. And it's very breezy here in this area in Kaimuki. You don't really feel too hot, and today's a really hot day, but with this shade, you could just kick it here and have fun. Eat a lot of food and entertain. But now let me show you the other rental on the other side of the home. Out here in the front, you also have a bunch of other fruit trees. I'm not exactly sure what kind of fruit this is. Do you know what this is?
Eric doesn't even know.
Eric
Thought it was a lime tree.
The homeowner doesn't know as well, but you know, bought it as a lime tree. These aren't limes. I don't know what they are. So it's cool. You have another parking stall here. This could possibly go to your tenant for the one bedroom that I'm about to show you. Cool thing is that this electrical panel just got installed like 2 months ago. It's about 100 amps. What's cool in the back storage, there's also another 100 amp panel too. So that way, if you're doing some like electrical stuff or high voltage stuff in the back, it won't affect the voltage or ampage or wattage of the main home, if that makes sense. So over here outside, you have a nice little cool hangout spot here as well. You could put some chairs, maybe put like an umbrella, kind of like the other hangout spot too. But if you go here, check it out. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath rental that you could use. And for the other rental is a studio, but this is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. So you have a big area right here that's like the living room area. You have a wet bar area too. You probably plug in like a mini fridge somewhere, plug in a TV. And then here is the actual bedroom for this rental. Pretty cool. So to recap, in the main home, you have 3 bedrooms. And then downstairs, you have this 1 bedroom. And then you also have the studio. All right, so there you have it, guys. That is this ridiculous, insane home. Again, we're here in the heart of Kaimuki. We're on 1040 13th Ave. This is a 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 6,000 square feet home that includes a 1,400 square feet storage. All of this sitting on a 9,000 square foot lot. Again, we are listed for $2.7 million. We've been on the market for like 3 days now, and we've already got an incoming offer. Hopefully it's good. But if you're interested, feel free to contact me at info@jeremymateo.com. If you're interested, or if you're interested in other homes on Oahu, let me know as well. But thank you again for making it this far and watching all my videos. I'll see you again on the next one.